Want to sound like the record, the steel solos on the record? Maybe these tips will help. When I play a slow ballad, I'll have my delay set at 250 to 300 milliseconds, one repeat, and my effects level signal is below my direct signal. I'll show you here on my Boss DD3. There's my effects level below my direct, one repeat, 250 to 300 milliseconds. So for an example, hear that? And here's a few other examples. Now, if you want to sound like the records, those faster delay sounds like on Margaritaville, Who's Cheating Who, Dust on the Bottle, what I usually do is I'll change my settings on my delay. I'll put my effects level the same loudness as my direct, still one repeat, change my effects to 50 to 100 millisecond. Let's see how that sounds. Hear that? Quicker. And here's a few more examples. So I hope those little tips help you out to sound more like the record. People will notice the difference and you'll enjoy it more.